Hi everybody, and welcome back to FANG Friday Plus One. This is Ross Healy, the Chairman of Strategic Analysis Corporation and the Senior Portfolio Manager at McNichol & Associates Asset Management. Our apologies for not doing FANG Friday yesterday, but we had a small emergency. Anyway, all is well, and we're going to do it today instead. First, as I always do, thanks to everyone who likes this video and all our subscribers. I appreciate your help with the YouTube algorithm, as this allows us to bring you more and better content. Second, we've had a strong response to our upcoming webinar, and we are now at capacity as things stand. We hope that we can expand it a little bit, but a reminder to those of you who would like to participate that we will accept only those who follow the instructions and provide their name and email. After I look at the FANGs this week, I will talk a little further about what we plan to do. Anyway, let's get down to business and take a look at what happened in the past week. So let's start off with Amazon, one of the three stocks that would be in our hypothetical FANG portfolio. The stock continues to kind of waffle sideways. We had purchased it, of course, on the day before the election, and the stock is pretty much held in there. And I would continue to hold it unless we got a violation of the HB3 price. That's currently a little over 2,900. The same thing with Apple. You will remember, of course, that there has been quite a change in the balance sheet of Apple. We had a beautiful sell on that stock at the HB5. Of course, that is no longer there because we have a brand new balance sheet, which has kind of changed the configuration of this stock. However, we got a beautiful sell, and then we got a perfect buy at the then HB4 price, and we are maintaining that. So that was about $104. So we are maintaining that price and holding it in our portfolio. The only way that we would remove Apple is if it violated the HB4 price, which is currently $109. So we remain comfortably on side with that stock. Nvidia is it's giving me the willies. It's kind of holding at the HB4, but it's also kind of slipping a little bit, and I'm kind of wondering if this is not a metaphor for the FANGs, broadly speaking. In other words, a rolling over of the group. Facebook. Well, we had a perfect sell on Facebook some while ago at its bubble price. It did not quite give us a buy signal in the setback. You will recall that I said that when the stock got down here, that what I would do if I held the stock and hadn't sold it, I would continue to hold it. From our FANG portfolio point of view, of course, we've got our sell, but you can take Facebook either way you like, either as a sell or a hold at the present time. And Microsoft, of course, continues to have sloppy trading around its HB2. And as I've said before, sloppy trading is often a precursor to a decline in the price of some dimensions. This, of course, you see, compares considerably with what happened in 2019 when the stock was up against that breakpoint, and then it broke out, and then we had that terrific move. Well, not this time. We got to be very careful here, and I would not hold it, quite frankly, if I owned it, or if I was looking at it. The same thing with Netflix, again, sloppy trading concerns me very considerably. Finally, Alphabet. Well, Alphabet actually has been a wonderful trading stock. We got a sell on the stock back in early September, and then a buy when it dropped to its MSG price, or its LSG price. That's 4.5 times book value. It turned right around and went up to its MSG price. That's 5.5 times book. In which case, I had to tell you, that is a high for 10 years. We are selling, and so far the stock appears to be rolling over. In summary, what I might call my FANG portfolio, Amazon remains a buy, although I don't see any follow-through as of yet. If I didn't own it and I was thinking of buying it, I would be patient and hope for a pullback to the actual HB3 price. But note, it must hold. Apple would be my second holding. And again, if I was looking to buy, I would wait for a setback to its old HB4 as well. But in the meantime, it's onside, it's in my portfolio. My third holding, NVIDIA, is holding weekly, and I am concerned. Facebook is in limbo and will remain that way until we actually get a clear signal. From my point of view, my sell remains very much in place. Stocks that I would not personally hold at the moment are Microsoft and Netflix, both of which have sloppy trading, and I am really concerned about a rollover there. And then, of course, Alphabet is the only FANG stock which actually has had some excitement in the last month or so, because we've got a sell and a buy and a sell again. I would only buy this stock if it broke out over the MSG price. However, I don't think that is going to happen. Now, over the last 3 weeks, I've been letting our FANG Friday subscribers know that we will be having a free introductory webinar on January the 6th at 4 p.m. for all FANG Friday viewers who would like to learn about the science behind SVA and how to use our charts. To review, I plan to spend about a half an hour going over the elements of the science. Then I'm going to look at some interesting stocks in our database, but of course, no FANGs. These will be stocks ranging from TD to Tesla, and following that, we'll have a short Q&A. For those who sign up, we will be sending you a confirmation email shortly, as well as an instructional email the week before the webinar, so that you will know how to attend. So make sure you are watching the email address that you provided us. Anyway, this has been Ross Healy, the chairman of Strategic Analysis Corporation and a senior portfolio manager at McNichol & Associates Asset Management, reminding you that nothing, including investing, is difficult if you have the right tools, as I trust we have been clearly showing you. Have a good week, and I'll see you next Friday.